Greetings, and welcome back to the Ganja God Show. I am your host, DabQween Ganja God, and today we are going to continue reading from AUNTY ROACHY SEH by the Honorable Dr. Louise Bennett Coverley. Now, people, make sure you hit the like button, share and comment. Lick the subscribe button and make sure you lick off the bell so that way you can get the notification when we upload a new video. We are going to be reading chapter by chapter in this book so that way you get the fullness of it. So chapter number 2, show off speech. All right, listen now. We got one Jamaican proverb we say, when goat laugh, you find out say him got no teeth in him head. And that proverb is about them sort of people who love to expose them ignorance. I like them smarty they would think when I think say them a talk proper. If them not screw up them mouth lip and hickory up them voice and go on like buggy without in tap. Like one girl with them call Hall Up. Jamaican ever come with some name for name of people. Like one girl with them call Hall Up. Who see one fire? Can't get over that name there. All right. Me a focus people. Like one girl with them call Hall Up. We see one fire brigade stop out of Auntie Roachy yard. Out of Auntie Roachy yard gate the other day and running at the yard and say, "Oh, Miss Roachy, which part the fire?" Auntie Roachy just stare upon her and say, "I don't know which part the fire, but the fire a burn up at the hill." Hear the food girl. "Oh, when I see the fire brigade, the fire brigade and the thing say it was this year the fire was from my barn. Gala call fire. Coming like one long time joke we always hear about three sisters who one did get married, one get a new pair of shoes, and one get a pair of long drops earring. And the three of them go a one party and did want to show off on the stranger people them at the party. So the married sister, she cock out her ring finger and give out, sister, say one cocky roachy pan the wall there. You're the one with the new boot. Where him there? Show me make I mush him. And she fling out her new boot foot. Same time. Then one with the long drops earring shake her head cautious and say, No, he will bite you. All idiot them a play big no door and cock her head, no their barrel. All right, focus. Coming just like one girl who did left from town go a country, go look for her family them and decide to speak his pokey and show off on them and show off on the country people them. So when them ask her when she going back to town, the full girl give out, "I am not going back in." Then when somebody asks the same girl or her little brother over town going on, she give out, "Oh, him is walking, talking, and standing upping." No father. If she did say, him dep on a walk and a talk and a stand up too, that would be good Banya language. But him is walking, talking, and standing upping is a chaka corruption of both English and Jamaica mix up. Tell them, mama. Sure. Just a show off herself like when standing color stand up to a hungry belly. Yo, mom's just a mom's just a disgrace girl so to pussy clad. Coming like Susie Westcott Bragadosha brother Bulla who turn truck driver and always a boss but oh nobody can drive truck good like oh him can drive truck. And how much wagga money him make out of driving. The other day, him was bossify in a one big time doctor office and tell the doctor say him want fi sound good and prove say him healthy. So the doctor asked him what work him do. Hear him, I drives trucks. Same time him pop out him cigarette out and him pack it and push it underneath the doctor nose and get out. Are you smoked? The doctor just shake him head and put him trumpet gains bulla chest and tell him to blow. Here bulla. Pa pa pee peep po po pa pa pa. Ay ay. Me say, I be mix up them of. Thank you, everybody, for tuning into chapter 2 of Auntie Roachy Say by the Honorable Dr. Louise Bennett Coverly. If you want to stay in tune for the next chapter, make sure you hit the like, share, comment, and subscribe. Lick off the bell too. And remember, everybody, knowledge is power and love is the key. Big up yourself.